After months of backroom deals and secret meetings, Democrats passed Obamacare in the middle of the night, against the will of the people. Now, it's time for us to show the arrogant Democrats that this country is about we, the people. So what exactly did the Democrats do to us in the middle of the night when no one was looking? Democrats have just forced a $570 billion tax increase on us against our will. Democrats have taken over health care, which will cause rationing and a decline in care against our will. Democrats have straddled small businesses with mandates that will cause job loss against our will. Democrats have ignored our voices and imposed their will. It's time to stand up and fight for the will of the people. They did not listen to you on health care, but they'll be forced to listen to you in November. Join us in ensuring we take back our country. A great man once said, "It's morning in America." Well, indeed it is, Mr. President. And we the people are ready to rise.